You know what we say about oh shit, son. I did not realize. What's going on here? Oh hey, that probably shouldn't be there. Whoopsie!
A few moments later.
What the fuck is that? Oh, baby! Damn! Come on! Come on. Woo! Hot damn! You don't know how to drive it, but god damn, that cow's pretty. Buddy. You doing alright, man?
Yeah. I just stopped and let my dad borrow my bike. I didn't put gas in it.
Oh, fuck.
Right here.
Okay, cool. I just want to make sure you weren't in any trouble or anything. No problem. Take it easy. Oh, yeah. There's a car coming, you fucking idiot. Fuck this. Ain't nobody got time for this shit. Hey look! Now suddenly I get to go. Fuck. Eat a dick! Fuck you, train! Oh shit! Stop! God damn! Fucking hell! Oh, he was not happy about that either. God damn! Oh, that was so close. Glory Hole Recreation Area. Sounds like a good time. Glory Hole Center. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh my god, where's my button? Where'd it go? I don't know. Well, that's kind of a dick move, Subaru. I go here, let me just move over. So you can't filter. And literally exactly what that looked like, especially because the motherfucker turned left. Fucking idiot. And there you have it, guys. Another reason why I fucking hate Prius drivers. The best sign in the world. Sign in the world. Oh, fuck. I just hit a bird.
What the fuck, Richard?